Welcome! If you've recently applied for Social Security Disability Insurance, SSDI, or Supplemental Security Income, SSI, you're probably eager to know the status of your application. The good news is, you don't have to wait for a letter in the mail or spend hours on hold. Today, we'll walk you through how to check your SSDI or SSI application status online, step by step. This guide will help you stay informed and reduce the stress of waiting. Let's get started by understanding why checking your status online is so helpful. Checking your SSDI or SSI application status online offers several advantages. It's fast, convenient, and available 24/7, so you can get updates at any time without waiting for office hours. You'll also see real-time updates, which means you're always in the loop about your application's progress. Plus, it saves you time compared to calling or visiting your local Social Security office. Now, let's look at what you'll need before you can check your status online. Before you can check your SSDI or SSI application status online, you'll need a few things. First, make sure you have access to a computer, tablet, or smartphone with internet connectivity. You'll also need your Social Security number and the confirmation number you received when you submitted your application. If you created a My Social Security account, have your username and password ready. Having these items on hand will make the process much smoother. Next, let's talk about the official website you'll use. To check your application status, you'll need to visit the official Social Security Administration website. Open your preferred web browser and type in www.ssa.gov. This is the only official site for Social Security services, so be cautious of lookalike or third-party sites. Once you're on the homepage, you'll find a range of services, including the option to check your application status. Let's move on to finding the right section on the website. Once you're on the SSA homepage, look for the section labeled Check Application Status. This is usually found under the Benefits tab or in the main menu. If you have trouble locating it, you can use the search bar at the top of the page and type Application Status. Clicking this link will take you to the page where you can begin the process of checking your SSDI or SSI application status online. To access your application status, you'll need to sign in to your My Social Security account. If you already have an account, enter your username and password. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it by following the on-screen instructions. Creating an account is straightforward, but you'll need to verify your identity with personal information. Once you're signed in, you'll be able to access a range of services, including checking your application status. After signing in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. Here, you'll see several options related to your Social Security benefits. Look for the section labeled Your Benefit Applications or something similar. This is where you can view the status of your SSDI or SSI application. The dashboard is designed to be user-friendly, making it easy to find the information you need. Let's see what kind of status updates you might encounter. When you check your application status, you'll see different updates depending on where your application is in the process. Common statuses include Received, In Review, Decision Made, or Additional Information Needed. Each status gives you insight into what's happening with your application. If you see additional information needed, be sure to respond promptly to avoid delays. Now, let's talk about what each status means in more detail. If your application status says Received, it means the Social Security Administration has your application and it's in their system. At this stage, no action is needed from you. The SSA will begin reviewing your information soon. It's a good idea to keep checking back regularly for updates, as the status will change as your application moves through the process. Next, let's see what happens when your application is in review. When your application status is in review, it means the SSA is actively processing your application. They may be verifying your information, contacting your doctors, or reviewing your work history. This stage can take some time, depending on the complexity of your case. Be patient and check your online account regularly for any changes. If the SSA needs more information, your status will update accordingly. Let's move on to what happens if more information is needed. If your status says Additional Information Needed, the SSA requires more details to process your application. This could be medical records, work history, or other documents. You'll usually receive instructions on how to provide this information either through your online account or by mail. Responding quickly is important to avoid delays. Once you've submitted the requested information, your status will update again. Next, let's discuss what it means when a decision has been made. When your application status changes to Decision Made, it means the SSA has finished reviewing your case and a decision has been reached. You'll be able to see whether your application was approved or denied. The official notice will also be sent to you by mail, but checking online gives you the fastest update. If approved, you'll get details about your benefits. If denied, you'll see information about the appeals process. Let's talk about what to do next, depending on your outcome. If your application is approved, congratulations! Your online account will show details about your monthly benefit amount, payment schedule, and when you can expect your first payment. You'll also receive a letter in the mail with this information. Be sure to review your payment details and set up direct deposit if you haven't already. Let's look at what to do if your application is denied. If your application is denied, don't lose hope. Your online account will provide details about why your claim was denied and outline your options for appeal. You'll also receive a denial letter in the mail. Carefully review the reasons for denial and consider gathering additional evidence if you plan to appeal. The appeals process is time-sensitive, so pay attention to deadlines. Next, let's discuss how to start an appeal online. If you decide to appeal, you can start the process directly from your online account. Look for the Appeal a Decision link in your dashboard. The website will guide you through submitting your appeal and uploading any supporting documents. Make sure to provide all requested information and double-check your submission before sending. The SSA will update your status as your appeal is reviewed. Now, let's talk about keeping your information secure. When checking your SSDI or SSI status online, it's important to keep your information secure. Always use a strong, unique password for your account and never share your login details. Make sure you're on the official SSA website and avoid using public Wi-Fi when accessing sensitive information. If you suspect any suspicious activity, contact the SSA immediately. Next, let's look at what to do if you forget your login information. If you forget your username or password, don't worry. The SSA website has a Forgot Username or Password link on the login page. Click it and follow the prompts to reset your information. You may need to answer security questions or verify your identity by email or phone. Once you've reset your credentials, you can log in and continue checking your application status. Now, let's discuss how to update your contact information online. It's important to keep your contact information up to date. If you move or change your phone number or email, update it in your My Social Security account. This ensures you receive important notifications about your application. Log in, go to your profile, and edit your contact details as needed. Keeping your information current helps prevent missed updates or delays. Next, let's talk about checking your status on mobile devices. You can check your SSDI or SSI application status from your smartphone or tablet. The SSA website is mobile-friendly, so you can log in and view your status on the go. Just open your browser, visit www.ssa.gov, and sign in as usual. All the same features are available, making it easy to stay updated wherever you are. Next, let's discuss what to do if you have trouble accessing your account. If you're having trouble accessing your account, double-check that you're using the correct username and password. If you're still locked out, use the account recovery options or contact the SSA for help. There's a dedicated support section on the SSA website with FAQs and contact information. Don't hesitate to reach out if you need assistance. Now, let's look at how to track mailed documents related to your application. In addition to online updates, the SSA will send important documents by mail, such as approval or denial letters. If you're expecting a document, you can track its delivery using the USPS Informed Delivery Service. This can give you peace of mind while you wait. Always keep your mailing address current in your SSA account to avoid missing important correspondence. Next, let's discuss how to interpret official letters from the SSA. Official letters from the SSA can sometimes be confusing. They include important details about your application, benefits, or next steps. Take your time to read each letter carefully. If you're unsure about any information, you can compare it with your online account or contact the SSA for clarification. Keeping both digital and paper records helps you stay organized. Now, let's talk about how often you should check your application status. It's a good idea to check your SSDI or SSI application status online at least once a week. This helps you catch any updates or requests for additional information quickly. If you receive a notification from the SSA, log in as soon as possible to review the details. Staying proactive can help prevent delays and ensure you don't miss important deadlines. Next, let's discuss what to do if your status doesn't change for a while. If your application status hasn't changed for several weeks, don't panic. Some cases take longer to process, especially if additional information is needed or if there's a backlog. Continue checking your account regularly and make sure your contact information is up to date. If you're concerned, you can contact the SSA for an update. Next, let's talk about common reasons for application delays. There are several reasons why your SSDI or SSI application might be delayed. These include missing or incomplete documents, waiting for medical records, or high application volumes. Sometimes, the SSA needs to verify your work history or contact your healthcare providers. Understanding these common reasons can help you stay patient during the process. Next, let's discuss how to avoid unnecessary delays. To help avoid delays, make sure you submit all required documents with your application. Respond promptly to any requests for additional information. Double check that your contact details are correct and up to date. If you're unsure about what's needed, review the SSA's checklist or contact their support team. Being thorough and responsive can help your application move through the process more quickly. Next, let's talk about keeping records of your application. It's important to keep copies of all documents related to your SSDI or SSI application. Save digital copies of your application, confirmation numbers, and any correspondence with the SSA. This helps you track your progress and provides proof if there are any issues. Organizing your records can make the process less stressful and more efficient. Next, let's discuss how to get help if you need it. If you have questions or run into problems, the SSA offers several ways to get help. You can visit the help section on their website, call their toll-free number, or visit your local Social Security office. There are also resources for people with disabilities or language barriers. Don't hesitate to reach out if you need assistance. Next, let's talk about the importance of keeping your application information confidential. Your SSDI or SSI application contains sensitive personal information. Always keep your login details private and avoid sharing them with anyone. Be cautious about discussing your application status in public or online forums. If you suspect your information has been compromised, contact the SSA immediately. Protecting your privacy is essential throughout the application process. Next, let's discuss what to do if you move during your application. If you move while your application is being processed, update your address in your My Social Security account as soon as possible. This ensures you receive all important mail and notifications. Failing to update your address could result in missed deadlines or lost documents. Keeping your information current is a simple but crucial step. Next, let's talk about checking the status of appeals or reconsideration. If you filed an appeal or request for reconsideration, you can track its status online, just like your initial application. Log into your account and look for the appeals section. You'll see updates on the progress of your appeal and any additional steps required. Staying informed helps you respond quickly to any requests from the SSA. Next, let's discuss how to set up notifications for status changes. You can set up email or text notifications in your My Social Security account to alert you about status changes or new messages. This way, you'll know right away if there's an update or if the SSA needs more information. To enable notifications, log in, go to your profile settings, and choose your preferred notification method. Staying connected helps you stay on top of your application. Next, let's talk about what to do if you spot an error in your application. If you notice an error in your application or account information, correct it as soon as possible. Log into your account, update the necessary details, and save your changes. If you can't fix the error online, contact the SSA for assistance. Promptly correcting mistakes can prevent delays or complications with your application. Next, let's discuss how to check the status of other Social Security benefits. Your My Social Security account allows you to check the status of other benefit applications, such as retirement or Medicare. Simply log in and select the relevant application from your dashboard. This makes it easy to manage all your Social Security benefits in one place. Keeping track of multiple applications is simple and convenient. Next, let's talk about the importance of reviewing your account activity regularly. Regularly reviewing your account activity helps you spot any unauthorized access or errors. Log into your My Social Security account and check your recent activity, messages, and status updates. If you notice anything unusual, report it to the SSA immediately. Monitoring your account is a key part of keeping your information safe and your application on track. Next, let's discuss how to get updates if you don't have internet access. If you don't have reliable internet access, you can still check your SSDI or SSI application status by calling the SSA's toll-free number or visiting your local office. Phone representatives can provide updates and answer your questions. Be sure to have your Social Security number and application confirmation number ready. While online access is fastest, these options are available if you need them. Next, let's talk about the importance of patience during the process. The SSDI and SSI application process can take time, especially if your case is complex. While waiting can be stressful, checking your status online helps you stay informed and prepared. Remember, delays are common and don't necessarily mean there's a problem. Stay proactive, keep your information updated, and reach out for help if needed. Next, let's discuss how to prepare for your first payment if approved. If your application is approved, you'll want to prepare for your first payment. Review your benefit details in your online account and set up direct deposit for faster access to your funds. Make sure your bank information is correct to avoid payment delays. You'll also receive a payment schedule, so you know when to expect your funds. Next, Let's talk about what to do if you have questions about your benefits. If you have questions about your SSDI or SSI benefits, your online account is a great resource. You'll find detailed information about your payments, eligibility, and more. If you need further assistance, contact the SSA by phone or visit your local office. There are also helpful FAQs and guides on the SSA website. Next, let's discuss how to protect yourself from scams related to Social Security. Unfortunately, Social Security scams are common. Always use the official SSA website and never share your personal information with anyone who contacts you unexpectedly. The SSA will never ask for your password or payment over the phone or by email. If you receive a suspicious message, report it to the SSA right away. Protecting yourself from scams is an important part of the application process. Next, let's summarize the key steps for checking your application status online. Let's quickly review the main steps for checking your SSDI or SSI application status online. Gather your information, visit www.ssa.gov, sign in or create a My Social Security account, navigate to your application status, and review updates regularly. Respond promptly to any requests for information and keep your contact details current. Following these steps will help you stay informed and in control of your application process. Next, let's look at some helpful resources. The SSA website offers a variety of helpful resources, including FAQs, video tutorials, and downloadable guides. These can answer common questions and provide step-by-step instructions for using your online account. Take advantage of these tools to make the process easier. If you need personalized help, don't hesitate to contact the SSA directly. Next, let's discuss the importance of staying organized throughout your application journey. Staying organized is key to a smooth application process. Keep a folder with all your application documents, confirmation numbers, and correspondence. Set reminders to check your status and respond to any requests from the SSA. Being organized helps you avoid missed deadlines and ensures you have everything you need if you need to appeal or provide additional information. Next, let's talk about what to expect after your application is approved. Once your SSDI or SSI application is approved, you'll receive regular updates about your benefits through your online account and by mail. Review your payment schedule, set up direct deposit, and keep your information up to date. If you have questions about your benefits, use the resources available in your account or contact the SSA. Staying engaged ensures you get the most out of your benefits. Finally, let's wrap up with some encouragement for your journey. Navigating the SSDI or SSI application process can be challenging, but checking your status online puts you in control. By following the steps we've outlined, you can stay informed, avoid delays, and respond quickly to any requests from the SSA. Remember, help is always available if you need it. Stay patient, stay organized, and take advantage of the online tools at your disposal. Wishing you the best of luck on your journey to receiving the benefits you deserve.